The Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset offers versatile Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to connect to your iPhone or Android phone for calls, music, and media playback. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step of the connection process. Step 1 is ensuring your headset is in Bluetooth mode. If your Stealth 500 is currently in 2.4 GHz wireless mode, which is used for console or PC gaming, you'll need to switch it. Locate the quick switch button on your headset and press it once. You should hear a clear voice prompt confirming Bluetooth mode to indicate the successful switch. Step 2 involves activating pairing mode. Locate the Bluetooth button, which is often the same as the multifunction button or MFB on your headset. Press and hold this button until you see the LED indicator begin flashing or hear the voice prompt saying pairing Bluetooth. This indicates your headset is now discoverable and ready to connect to your phone. Step 3 is connecting from your phone. Whether you have an iPhone or Android device, the process is similar. Navigate to your phone's Bluetooth settings. This is typically found in the main settings app under Bluetooth or connections. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled, then search for available devices. You should see Turtle Beach Stealth 500 appear in the list of discoverable devices. Tap on it to initiate the connection. Step 4 is confirming your successful connection. There are several indicators that verify the connection is working properly. First, look for a solid blue LED light on the USB wireless transmitter. This is the clearest visual confirmation. Second, check your phone's Bluetooth settings, where the Stealth 500 should now appear as connected. Finally, test the audio by playing music or making a test call to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Here's a helpful pro tip. If your Stealth 500 headset doesn't establish a connection within 2 minutes of being powered on, it will automatically enter pairing mode. This convenient feature means you don't always need to manually activate pairing mode, making the connection process even more streamlined for regular use. The multifunction button, or MFB, on your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 serves as your primary control interface when connected via Bluetooth. This versatile button handles both call management and media playback functions. For call management, a single press of the MFB will answer incoming calls, while another press will end the call. This makes it convenient to handle phone calls without reaching for your device. The MFB also controls media playback. Press once to play or pause your music, podcasts, or videos. This seamless integration allows you to manage your audio content directly from the headset. One of the advanced features of the Stealth 500 is its ability to maintain simultaneous connections to multiple devices. You can connect to both your phone and computer at the same time, providing flexibility in your audio setup. However, there's an important limitation to understand. While the headset can be connected to multiple devices simultaneously, audio can only be heard from one source at a time. The headset will prioritize the most recently active audio source. To ensure optimal performance and resolve connectivity issues, it's crucial to keep your headset's firmware up to date. Turtle Beach provides the Swarm mobile app for both Android and iOS devices to manage firmware updates and customize settings. It's important to understand that not all Turtle Beach models have the same Bluetooth capabilities. The older Stealth 500p model, for example, does not have built-in Bluetooth and requires a cable connection to mobile devices. For troubleshooting common Bluetooth connectivity issues, first ensure your headset is in Bluetooth mode by using the quick switch button. Check that your device's Bluetooth is enabled and that you're within the recommended range of about 30 feet. The gaming headset industry is evolving toward more advanced connectivity options. Newer models like the Turtle Beach Stealth Pro feature dual Bluetooth connectivity, allowing true simultaneous connections to multiple devices with independent audio streams. This advancement represents the future direction of gaming audio technology, where seamless connectivity across multiple platforms becomes the standard. Understanding these features helps you make informed decisions about headset upgrades and troubleshoot current connectivity challenges.